In a peaceful village lived a boy named Arjun. He wasn't the smartest in his class, nor the fastest, nor the most talented, but he carried a quiet dream to do something meaningful in life. The only problem was he didn't know where to start. Everything felt too big, too far, too difficult. Every evening while walking home from school, Arjun would stop near an old well where an elderly man named Devdas sat carving wooden toys. One day, Arjun asked, "Uncle, how do you make these so perfectly? I can't seem to do anything right." Devdas smiled and handed him a small block of wood. "Try carving it," he said. Arjun tried and failed. The wood cracked. "I knew it," Arjun sighed. "I'm just not good at anything." Devdas picked up another piece and began carving slowly. "Let me tell you something," he said. "When I was your age, I wasn't good at anything either. I failed more times than I can remember. But I learned one thing: great things begin with one small step."
He pointed to dozens of finished toys beside him. These weren't made in a day. Each one began with one line, one cut, one moment of patience. Arjun listened quietly. Devdas continued, "When something feels too big, break it down. Don't climb the whole mountain. Just take one step, then another. That's how every success story is written." Those words settled deep into Arjun's heart. From that day, Arjun stopped trying to do everything at once. He studied a little each day, practiced slowly, and focused on tiny improvements. Weeks passed, months passed. His skills sharpened, his confidence grew, and his small steps began shaping his future. Years later, Arjun became a respected engineer, and whenever someone said, "You're so talented," he smiled and replied, "I'm not talented, I'm consistent. I just take one small step every day."